Hey guys, I'm Brian.
And I'm Terry.
And welcome back to the Forest to Farm project after
the Forest to Lake project.
Yeah, the Forest to Lake project.
The Forest to Lake project.
It's been a swamp out here.
Yeah, that's the Forest to Swamp project.
Yeah.
There you go.
We've, as you guys have obviously noticed, we have not been posting much in the last few months between life with work and
holidays. My mother's deck fell off her house and we had to drive 750 miles.
Spend a
one
week
way,
in the blizzard.
Spend a week in the blizzard, yeah.
And come back.
There was a day when it wasn't exactly snowing, it was just freezing rain.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad.
Nice
we stayed
break.
in it from daybreak till dark every day. We got it done.
But that, and then the holidays, and then every time we had a break from work, it poured down rain. We'll show you a little bit of B-roll of that right now.
Yeah.
Just as you can see, tons of water. And this is after it quit raining.
Yeah.
But now we're hopefully back out here.
The sun's shining.
Yeah.
Breeze is blowing. It is January 6th.
January 6th, and it is 67 degrees.
T-shirts, and I'm sweating, and we haven't done anything yet. This is January.
It's insane.
If it stays like this the rest of this year, we're in good shape.
As long as it stays dry, we're good.
Yeah, it's not going to stay like this.
No.
This is just like teasing us. It's like, hey, come on out and get to work, because we're going to really finish you off with some snow and ice.
Pretty much. That's probably what will happen.
Oh, yeah.
But we thought we'd give you guys a few updates and show you some of the work we're going to be doing.
Yeah. One thing we'd like to show you is, as you guys can see, I don't know if you remember how full these bushes were. One thing is, one of our followers, our subscribers on YouTube said these were azaleas, and I think they were right. These were full. And we came out here and I said, wow, the leaves fell off. And then it hit me. The leaves did not fall off. They're not on the ground. The deer ate them. It's the only explanation. So they pruned them really nicely and cut them back, which is probably good, because when you move something, you want to cut the plant back a little bit so that it has a better chance of survival, because it doesn't have as much foliage to support. And I don't know if you remember in the last video where we trimmed a lot of this off just to reduce how much strain is on this plant during the time of it getting the roots started back. But anyway, the deer helped us out, and they left a lot of it. So I guess nature knows what it's doing. The deer are like, okay, let's not kill the plant. We're going to want to eat some next year too. So they left this, I think. They may be back. We don't know yet. Depends on how hungry they get. Let's go move some of that wood.
Okay. So one of the things you guys have probably seen in the background in most of our videos when we're up on my house site is a pile of firewood. This has been sitting here since roughly the beginning when we started cutting trees. We didn't know where to put anything, so we just stacked it up. Turns out it's in the way. So
yeah, well, it could be, and we don't want anything hindering our building.
Right.
Hopefully this spring we get to get started building, and we want to, right now we're just going to work on getting some things out of the way. Just
finalize all the little details that have been floating like this.
A few trees we're going to leave until after you got moved in. We've got time now. We're not going to try and start building. Be in the middle of January. There's going to be more rain, possible
snow, and just frigid temperatures. It's not worth it. So
it just wasn't in the cards.
No, we tried really hard, but
spring we're going to start building. It's going to happen.
Yeah.
I think.
Today we're going to work on getting all this firewood moved, and some of it's gotten really punky, so that'll get turned into compost. It's just crumbling.
Punky.
Yeah, punky. Yeah. Punky Brewster. But so that's what we're doing today, is we're going to be moving firewood with the tractor and getting a nice workout in, lifting all those logs.
Yeah.
That's about all we're going to do.
It's taking in some vitamin D.
Yes, much needed vitamin D. Let's get to it. Well, that project's complete, and hopefully tomorrow we can get started on another one.
Yep, we got through it. No copperheads, and no spider bites. We have a lot of copperheads and a lot of
black widows
and whatnot. That's why when I got down in the pile deep while Brian was running with that tractor, I started using the mattock to pull the logs out because there was a lot of pockets. Lizards were coming out of there. I was fine with that, but I don't like them copperheads.
No big spiders, just little ones, nothing major.
Yep, airplane. Boss, the plane.
But yeah, that's all we're going to do for today. It's getting late. It's about dark. That's the bad thing about this time of year. It's almost 4 o'clock and it's getting close to dark.
Yeah.
So, but that means we get to go home and have some awesome deer roast.
Oh,
it's delicious stuff. But, oh, we got some new stuff for the tractor that we will hopefully be installing in the next couple of days. I think you guys, you guys are really going to like this. And then also, if you guys pay attention to our subscriber count, we are nearing 5,000, which means giveaway time. Yay!
A little over 4,000, but that's close to 5,000 to us.
Yeah, so when we hit 5,000, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to announce everything in a coming video real soon. And hopefully you guys like what we're going to give away this time.
Yes, pretty good stuff.
Yep. So that's about all we got for today. I'm going to go home. The more I think about that deer, the more I'm ready to go eat.
Yep.
So you guys have a good one. Oh, one more thing. For those of you that don't know, we have an Instagram page now. So we've dropped our Twitter page. There just wasn't any traffic on there. So we are doing Facebook and Instagram. Links for those are below. And a lot of times we will update those with photos. If we're not doing enough out here that really warrants filming, we'll do photos and update you with what we're doing. So you can keep up with what's going on.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Sure thing. Have a good one, guys.
See ya.